Hi bees, we have a ton of bracelets dropping today, and so I thought it would be fun, since you guys always ask about metaphysical properties, to let you guys know which bracelets we have and maybe one or two of the properties that they are often associated with. This is gonna be speedy, so feel free to go back and watch again. For 8mm bracelets, we only have a couple of these. We're gonna have black obsidian, which is protection, smoky quartz for grounding, malachite for transformation and abundance. We have some lighter and darker here. We have unicorn stone, which is so pretty and flashy. This one is going to be divine feminine and anxiety. And then we have clear quartz mixed with hematite. We'll go through these separately later. We also have halite, which is calming. And then we are into our 6mm bracelets. We have a ton of these. First up, we have shungite, which is most often used for EMF protection. And then we have snowflake obsidian, which is grounding and negative energy. Here's that hematite. This one is going to be also grounding and negative energy, just like the snowflake obsidian. There's lots of grounding and protection stones on here. We have red tiger's eye, which is good for motivation. On to the next face, we have garnet, which is one of my personal favorites. This one is going to be good for revitalizing energy and passion. I love the color of garnet. We have two different types of amber, which is going to be for cleansing auras. We have this one, which is kind of just a mixture, and then this one, which is called rainbow amber, is really fun. It's kind of like an ombre amber. I'm obsessed with this one. We do have green goldstone, which is a man-made material. We have a couple of these on the drop. This one is so pretty though. I love the green speckle. And even though they are man-made, they are still thought to balance energy. We also have malachite in the 6mm, and then we have ruby zoisite, which is balance emotions and ignite motivation. Ruby is UV reactive. I have just two prenite with epidotes left. This is going to be manifestation, and then here is another man-made material. This one is going to be blue goldstone. It's kind of similar looking to specularite, specular hematite, and blue goldstone is going to be confidence and ambition. We have blue tiger's eye for enhancing intuition. We have iolite, which is going to be your third eye chakra or the vision stone. We have lots of blue kyanite here. These ones are always a fan fave, and this one is good for actually aligning all of your chakras. Next face up here, we have sodalite, which is going to be the logic and poet stone, and then blue apatite for personal growth, angelite for opening spiritual channels, and then aquamarine over here for courage and peace. We have morganite for attracting love in your heart chakra, and then we have amethyst for tranquility. These amethysts are so juicy. Lepidolite, which this is a good one for anxiety and stress. And then Super 7 is also another one that aligns all the chakras. This one is really neat with all of the inclusions. We have kunzite for promoting unconditional love and emotional healing, rhodonite, which is going to be the mother-child stone, and then strawberry quartz, which will be joy and love. We have a ton of those. Last face on this one, we have rose quartz, which is going to be for self-love, pink aventurine for your heart chakra, another man-made material. This one is opalite. This is actually our first time carrying opalite, but we've gotten it requested a couple of times, so I definitely wanted to grab those, and this one is going to be for deep inner peace. We have chalcedony for peaceful communication, clear quartz, which is your master healer, and then we grabbed a ton of selenite, which is going to be your cleansing stone for cleansing in general, but also cleansing your other crystals. So this is a really good one to pair with the rest of your bracelets. And then again, we have halite. And now we are going to finish off with the 4mm bracelets, my personal favorite. We have black obsidian, gold sheen obsidian for negative energy. Black tourmaline is another good protection one. I love wearing my black tourmaline and garnet together, which garnet is our next one here. Going on to the second stand here, we have mookaite, which is good for adventure and decision making. Fire quartz, which can bridge between passion and purpose, and then carnelian is great for confidence. Down here we have peach moonstone, which is a soothing and nurturing stone, moss agate for new beginnings, and then we have more malachite. Peridot, one of my personal favorites. I actually wore this in all of the bracelet photos. This one is going to be for renewal and prosperity. Fluorite, we have concentration and mental clarity, and then amazonite, we have courage. Down here at the bottom, we have lapis lazuli for truth and wisdom. We have iolite and aquamarine. Next face, we also have morganite and amethyst in the 4mm, and then we have watermelon tourmaline, which is going to be for balancing emotions. We have some repeats here as well. We have lepidolite, Super 7, rhodonite, strawberry quartz, and rose quartz. We also have flower agate, which is for personal growth. We have clear quartz, halite, and then rainbow moonstone down here at the bottom, which is going to be divine feminine energy. And then our last one up here is going to be Dalmatian jasper, which is another grounding crystal. That is all the bracelets. I know that was a lot and it was really fast. So like I said, feel free to go back and watch again. And I cannot wait to see the combinations that you guys pick.